When you go through the arches of our salon, I wanted it to be a surprise. Every area has that inviting, comfortable feeling. Hi, my name is Nancy Seeber, and this is Ciao Bella Blowout Salon. Ciao Bella Blowout Salon is a unique experience. We specialize in blowouts. We use salon-exclusive Kevin Murphy products, as well as infrared technology with Croc. I wanted to have an atmosphere where people could come, relax, check out from their life, and just be pampered. My passion for hair and beauty comes from when I was a little girl. I would go to the hair salon with my mother, and it was just such a great experience. As I got older, I like to go and get my hair blown out, and my normal stylist doesn't do blowout. So I wanted to fulfill a need in the community for women to come and just enjoy a salon experience. What inspired me to build a blowout salon in the area is I really wanted something close to home that not only myself can come to, but all my friends, family, and all my new friends I'm meeting just by having the salon. We don't do color, we don't do cut, but you can come and get your hair washed and styled. We use a specialized salon-based program called Mango Mint that allows us not only to record every visit that they've made here, but we can also note the products that you liked on your hair. Ciao Bella Salon offers salon-exclusive products that you can purchase for home for curly hair, straight hair, men's products, anything that you need. What creates a higher quality blowout is the specialized hot tools that you use. And here at Ciao Bella, we only use the best. I want you to come through the door. We will do whatever it is that makes you happy, and you even get to leave with a Ciao Bella glass.